Hello friends, in today's video I'll be presenting one of the most important factor of UX, which is 6 design principles. Before I start, just one request, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for similar UX informative videos. And if you like the video, please share your comments. What is design principle? The principles of design are the rules a designer must follow to create an effective and attractive composition. So the 6 design principles are balance, hierarchy, proximity, rhythm, alignment, and contrast. So let's see the 6 examples of the design principles. First one is the balance. Balance is the distribution of visual weight of objects, colors, textures, and space. So in this example, if you see the balance between the UI elements like the buttons, the text, the subheading, balance between the cards, the icons, the text, balance between the numbers, the title, the description. It's all about the balance which makes your design perfect. The second principle is hierarchy, or we can call it visual hierarchy. Hierarchy is a visual design principle which designers use to show the importance of each page screen by manipulating these characteristics like size, color, and the textures. The visual design hierarchy or hierarchy is the headline is emphasized more than the subheading, and the one button is the CTA, the primary button is highlighted than the second one. So it's clear-cut indicated for the user which one is the more important that the user needs to focus on or the focal point. Here the icons, the headings, and the subheading or the description text. So the visual hierarchy is proper, is balanced in this design. This is what we need to follow. The third principle is proximity. The principle of proximity states that items close together are likely to be perceived as part of same group or sharing similar functionality or traits. Like in this example, if you see the buttons are placed close to each other, so it means that the proximity is close. So this button is related to each other, like the primary call to action and the secondary call to action. Even if you see in the cards, the icons, the heading, the subheading are placed close to each other to form it as one group, and this card individually aligned to each other makes one section. This is called proximity. The fifth principle, that is rhythm. The principle of design that refers to a regular repetition of elements of art to produce the look and feel of movement, or we can call it consistent elements throughout the website or a design. So the example for the rhythm is the color combination across the website. If you see the color of the branding, that is gray and blue, so that you'll see across the website. The call to action are in the blue color, the icons background are in blue color, again the call to actions are in blue and gray. The combination of the colors or the icon family are consistent across the website. This is what we need to follow as a designer. The fifth design principle, that is alignment, and it is one of the most important factor in any design across the web. That is, alignment is design principle that refers lining up text or graphics on a page. A design with poor alignment will look cluttered and unfinished, obviously. So if you see the alignment of the heading, subtext on the call to action, it is left aligned. Scroll down the website. If you see the alignment of the logo and the cards on the left alignment, it's same. And the search bar on the right hand side and the cards on the right hand, that is aligned to the right. So, and the margin and spacing is similar on left and right side. Alignment between the cards is similar. So that makes your design balanced and that makes the page look more clutter free. The last design principle is contrast. Contrast refers to the arrangement of opposite elements and effects. For example, light and dark colors, smooth and rough textures, large and small shapes. So the contrast between the two button colors, contrast between the image and the text, contrast between the card elements, the icon, the background color, the opposite color that we have used in this design, contrast between the background color, the text, contrast between the patterns that is being used over here. So these are all part of contrast in a design. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you have enjoyed the video and gain some knowledge regarding the design principles. That is very important factor in any design. Thanks, and please subscribe to the channel for more informative video like this.